The way we look at contact center transformation is really sitting down with our customers and looking at their business outcomes and needs. Now, what we're seeing in the space that has dramatically changed the face of contact centers is a couple of things. Number one is modernizing the equipment that they're using and the systems. Over poor economic times, companies have really stopped investing in those systems to modernize and to be up to speed with where current technology is. In addition, they have not invested in the resources and people with the skills and abilities to bring these new technologies to bear. Secondly, what we're beginning to see is a greater complexity in the business with the way that consumers can reach the companies. What has evolved over time is that companies traditionally have just put out an 800 number and you were forced to call and call into an IVR or call into an agent to get support. Now, because of the advent of mobile devices and the web, people can communicate in any number of ways that they desire. We call this consumer-driven care, where they are the ones that are making the choices of how to communicate with the businesses. This has created complexity that our businesses are having difficulty adjusting to. And this is where West Interactive is best positioned to help facilitate the modernization of their technology, the processes by which we link the information from all these multiple channels and do it in a way that we're going to drive and optimize their cost, their revenue, and that customer engagement. The beauty of this is that over time, we are really helping them move and transition their business to lower cost methods of communicating with their customers, by which then they can reinvest and we move them along that transformation journey.